Hello, this is Becky Ivins from Movers Real Estate. Today we're going to talk about the Zillow Zestimate. I get questions a lot about whether or not the Zestimate is the true value of a property. And it turns out that a lady from Illinois has filed a lawsuit against Zillow stating that their Zestimate is not really the true value of her property. My friend Barbara Corcoran did an interview on Good Morning America about this lawsuit, and here she is to tell us about it.
And we're back with our big board, Shark Tank's Barbara Corcoran here with us to talk about a new lawsuit. Thank you for coming in, Barbara. That could affect millions of homeowners. It's been filed by a homeowner in Illinois, a woman it's against the online real estate giant Zillow. And Barbara, you know this. Zillow has this thing called a Zestimate, which estimates the cost of homes. And she's saying this hurt her ability to sell her home. What's that about?
It makes good sense because what has happened with this particular woman in Illinois is she felt her home was worth $626,000, and the Zestimate came in at $562,000, so that's a $64,000 difference. Her feeling is that a typical buyer checks his estimate and thinks her home is worth less. She's claiming that her home was put in with a basket of other homes that have no bearing on the value of her home.
And Zillow responded to this. They said Zestimate is a starting point to determine a home's value. It isn't an official appraisal. The plaintiff can update her own Zestimate by adding the square footage of her home.
So how do these online tools work? Are they correct? Let's hear what Barbara has to say.
Well, the Zestimate, you have to realize, is just an estimate. That's why they named it that way. It's not intended to be an appraisal, and the company has been very forthcoming in saying that all along. But here's what goes awry. A typical buyer goes in and doesn't realize that the fault factor in it is roughly 5%. It doesn't sound like a lot of inaccuracy, but 1 in 10 homes are estimated at more than 20% less than they're actually worth. So if you're that 1 in 20 homeowner, that's a sizable difference.
Is this a reliable starting point?
They say it's a starting point, and it is a starting point. Reliable, no, and it's only a starting point. But here's the rub. Every consumer out there knows about his estimate. They always check it, and so the consumer is using it as though it's an appraisal, and that's the basis of the lawsuit. She's claiming they should be licensed as an appraisal firm.
So what do I recommend to my clients who ask whether or not the Zillow Zestimate is correct? What does Barbara recommend?
Well, if you want to get the best price, what you must know is the real value of the home. And so you have to be extremely accurate about what other homes are compared to your particular home and not use just an algorithm to arrive at that. So you should really be relying on a real estate agent who really knows what they're doing, or pay for a real appraisal.
Hi, I'm Barbara Corcoran. Are you thinking of selling your home but you're not sure which agent to hire? You have a lot of choices, but really the choice is simple. Because there's only one agent I would trust to sell my home. Go to BeckyIvins.com and check out Becky's guarantee to sell your home, or she will buy it. See how Becky's marketing system sells homes faster and for more money than the average agent. Partner with the agent I trust. Go to BeckyIvins.com and get your home sold.
So do you have questions about your Zestimate? Give me a call. I can help you sort it out and determine the true value of your property. Give me a call at 722-3232. I'm here to help.